Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 10th of October, 2024. Indian benchmark indices ended higher amid volatility on October 10th with Nifty around 25,000. At close, the Sensex was up 144.31 points or 0.18% at 81,611.41, and the Nifty was up 16.50 points or 0.07% at 24,998.50. Top Nifty gainers were Kotak Mahindra Bank, HDFC Bank, Bharat Electronics, Maruti Suzuki and Power Grid Corp, while losers were Cipla, Trent, Tech Mahindra, Sun Pharma and Hero MotoCorp. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of CEINYS Tech rose over 9% and hit a 52-week high of 944 rupees on BSE after the company informed the exchanges that its order book surpassed 1,000 rupees crore. CEINYS Tech recently received a letter of award from the State Water and Sanitation Mission of Maharashtra for a project valued at 332 rupees crore. The project involves IoT deployment, design and implementation of a centralized platform for Jal Jeevan mission projects, including maintenance over 5 years. In addition, CEINYS Tech secured a 29.2 rupees crore LOA from CIDCO for drone surveys, base map creation, utility layers, and the development of an enterprise GIS application. This bundled solution includes software provision and an operations and maintenance program. CEINYS Tech recently completed a preferential allotment of equity shares and share warrants, raising $28 million. Additionally, the company acquired the business assets of US-based geospatial entity VTS and expanded its presence in the Asia-Pacific region by establishing a wholly owned subsidiary. This expansion aims to grow its tech-enabled services and build a strong presence in the data center business, offering services such as design, development, and consulting for data centers both in and outside India. ASHOKA BUILDCON shares climbed over 5% on October 10th after the company's joint venture, where it is the lead member, emerged as the lowest bidder for a 1,668 rupees crore project touted by City and Industrial Development Corporation of Maharashtra. The engineering, procurement, and construction (EPC) project involves the integrated development of wide roads, the construction of major and minor structures, and associated electrical works as part of the NINA project. Earlier this month, the company secured another project worth 474.10 rupees crore from MMRDA, involving the design and construction of an elevated road from Kalyan Murbad Road to Badlapur Road to Pune Link Road. Aside from that, it bagged 2 more letters of award for contracts worth 1,264 rupees crore, which include the design and construction of a creek bridge from Kolshet to Kalhar, and another from Gaimukh to Paygaon. Last month, the company's subsidiary, Viva Highways, monetized its land under its real estate portfolio in Hinjwadi, Pune, for 453 rupees crore. Meanwhile, brokerages anticipate a recovery in ASHOKA BUILDCON's order book growth in Q2 after a decline in the previous quarter due to the halt in government tenders amid the general elections. With the resumption in awarding of capex projects, Elara Capital expects order momentum to continue with higher flows in the second half of financial year 2025. Shares of VA Tech WABAG rose nearly 6% after it secured significant repeat orders from Reliance Industries Limited for water treatment systems at RIL's Dahej and Nagarthain facilities. The stock has skyrocketed over 140% year-to-date, outperforming the Nifty 50's modest 15% rise in the same period. With a long-standing relationship spanning nearly 3 decades, WABAG's technical expertise and competitive bid secured this large order, valued between 300 rupees to 500 rupees crores. RIL has been a key account of WABAG for almost 3 decades. This repeat order reinforces WABAG's position as the most preferred supplier with RIL, S. Natrajan, head of sales and marketing, India cluster, said in an exchange filing. We thank RIL for the continued trust and confidence reposed in WABAG. This order win is a testimony to WABAG's continued technological superiority and leadership in water treatment and recycle for the oil, gas and petrochemical sector, he added. Shares of Rain Industries soared over 9% on October 10 after its subsidiary Rain Carbon, partnered with Canada's Northern Graphite inked an agreement with Northern Graphite Corporation to jointly develop and commercialize advanced battery anode material used in lithium-ion batteries for electric vehicles. In these batteries, the anode, or negative electrode, is typically composed of graphite coated on copper foil, making it a crucial component in the battery's life cycle. Trading volumes were also strong as 75 lakh shares changed hands on the bourses so far, significantly higher than the one-month daily traded average of 34 lakh shares. Gerard Sweeney, president of Rain Carbon Incorporated, believes that the collaboration will accelerate innovative solutions for the rapidly growing lithium-ion battery market. Soma Textiles and Industries Limited in daily time frame is trading around 46.80 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 517.831 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 40.21, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 72.03. Awesome Enterprise Limited in daily time frame is trading around 160.77 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 218.2 for 9,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 128.28, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 84.36. Zeltmok Design and Tech Limited in daily time frame is trading around 160.54 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 308.316 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 129.08, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 77.61. For the stock recommendation we have, HDFC Bank looks good and can be bought at 1663, keeping a stop loss of 1,663 rupees and a target of 1720.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.